Hi, this is
Hey,
hey,
yeah,
I'll go.
you can go.
Hi, my name's Ann.
What? That's my.
And this is Trevor, and this is Com TV.
What? I don't do that. Language dominates the space as the verbal, now written, is made visual and unfolds as unique pictures. Mental Pictures by Diane Durant is now showing in the Calm Art Gallery. Come check it out.
Come meet our campus police this Tuesday at 12:30 at Coffee with Cops at the police department.
Will there be donuts?
Does it matter?
Kind of.
There's a graduation expo this Thursday at noon at the conference center.
There will be a graduation workshop, a college fair, mock interviews, resume writing tips, and more. Dude, we're supposed to film something for Com TV.
Yeah, just give me 1 minute, 1 minute. Let's go.
Guess I'll do it. Student Life resumes its John Maxwell Leadership Series this Thursday in the Conference Center. Lunch will be provided.
Free food?
Come participate in the ping pong tournament this Wednesday at 2:30 in the Com Gym. Be better than these guys.
Yo, but my Instagram, yeah, I have almost 200 followers. Okay.
And do you want to plug any social media?
She probably has like.
And 9147.
And what?
And 9147. Oh, my nails are ratchet.
I want you to know that's on
Ratchet.
Durant is now playing in the Calm Art Gallery. Come check it out. Oh, shiz.
That's true.
Well, there's
You are mayonnaise, Ava.
Mayonnaise.
Just call her Ava?
I don't know why I just called her Ava. I don't know.
Who's Ava?
Come meet our police. Oh God. Come meet our police. Come meet our campus police at Coffee with Cops at 12:30 at the police department. 30 on Tuesday at Coffee with Cops.
You forgot.
At the police department. Oh my God, bro. Okay. Come get to know our police. Oh gosh. Come get to know our campus police this Tuesday at 12:30 at Coffee with Cops at the police department. This Tuesday at 12:30 at the. Okay. Come get to know our police. Okay. Come to at 12:30 at camp. Come get to know our cops this Tuesday, 12:30. Something about coffee. Hey, come.
Can you say zoinks afterwards?
Zoinks?
Like lunch? Free? Like zoinks, dude.
Do I look like Shaggy
Yes.
enough for that to make sense?
Lunch will be provided.
Free lunch? Zoinks!
That doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, that makes no sense, bro.